Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Well, I'm getting the 427 engine from the Corvette. I'm gonna get it ready to put on the engine stand. Start taking the heads off. Taking the clutch and flywheel off right now, so I can put on the engine stand.
Beautiful. What's next?
Next, after I got it on the engine stand, I gotta take the intake off and the heads.
What do you think you're gonna find inside?
Hopefully, it's just been sitting for a long time and the valves are just stuck because of that, not of something else, if you know what I mean. Hopefully the timing chain didn't jump or anything like that.
Knock it out.
Okay.
Let me see that. Toast.
Oh yeah.
Done. There you go. It's gorgeous. There you go.
Okay, yeah, I think,
Alright, now you can put
whew, look at that.
Check this out. These engines have a thing. What does that say?
High performance, baby. That's the good stuff. That definitely.
This is out of a vet. Alright, so what are you doing now?
I'm gonna take the intake off now. I'm gonna take this engine hose off.
There we go. Yeah, it's one piece. Sometimes antifreeze gets in those things there, and the engine sits a long time to get stuck.
I know, but
They rot, technically. So, show all those girls how much power you got. You're blushing. Look at him, he's all excited. Can't get that one? Damn, baby. Damn, baby. Damn, baby.
I was just gonna say it.
Oh, yeah. I knew this Italian guy. His name was Tony. When something was tight. I was a kid then, right? You go. Ah, there we go. Every friggin' bolt. You would hear that across the shop. And there was some cars, like 16 of these, that good old Tony. It actually helps loosen it. His favorite saying, he was a nice guy. We used to have a good time all together. And his favorite saying was, oh, you know what you should do? You know, but, see, character. Nobody has any character anymore. You met one, you met them all. Everybody acts like Gumby.
Yeah, he's Gumby.
He's a green, slithery thing that slid around. He had cool toys on that show, boy. I'll tell you, if you like Tonka trucks. There we go. That's one.
Whoa. Check that out.
That came out from the inside. All right, next.
Got some water in there.
It'll be fine.
Didn't like that.
Take them off. Take off that last bolt and then come and help me grab it.
Oh, too much of a wind.
Yep. Whoop.
This was in the cylinder.
Crazy, bro. See these gouges?
Yes.
That's a valve stem hit. This is a valve hit. So, something snapped in that cylinder because of piston to valve snap contact. What's up, Papa, Mama lady? Look at what we have here. Stuff.
That
Oh, it comes right off.
Yes,
Beautiful.
it did. Here.
All right, put it. There you go. Beautiful. Go get the harmonic balancer puller.
Here. Oh, checking them. Okay.
It's moving, but f***ing crazy slow.
Come here.
Hey! Look what you're doing to the machine.
Huh?
Oh, we're not. You're bending the whole fucking bracket. You don't see that? Woo! You're getting this off, are we? Let go. Put it. Release the pressure. Okay, good. There you go.
Yes.
What was that? That was the little bolt thing.
Okay. All water.
Dude, that looks like water. That's not good.
No.
All garbage. All garbage. You all right? You good?
Okay.
Take the pan off. Isn't it beautiful? Put this on the floor.
It's completely dried. You know when I want like a really dry, bad cookie, or like you didn't drink anything yet? That's what that engine was doing.
Yeah, because they drained everything years ago.
Yeah, it wants oil.
Here's your oil.
Yeah. Pops!
Yeah, what's up? Oh boy, I need to drink more.
Going on
Wondering
here?
why the silver head on, right? I have a point to make. What happened was yesterday I had some comments with people that they think that they know everything about cars, right? And a lot of them I appreciate. I really do. I like when people ask questions and stuff like that, right?
Like they're
We get
sincere.
together, we talk.
But, you know, like, well, I'm just wondering, like, why is this like that? You know,
Right, it's
that's
wonderful
fun,
thing.
beautiful.
It's great. I love
Right.
it. Okay, but a lot of people want to kind of tell me what's happening with stuff. I probably took apart maybe 200 of these fucking engines. I think I know what I'm talking about. I've done it before, and I'll do it again. The Corvette Big Block is it's nothing new to me. Maybe I look like I'm some kind of Spronzone walking around, but I'm not. I know all my shit. So a lot of people ask questions about the engine, and it's great. I answer them. I appreciate the comments and stuff like that. Not to mention you have the best subscribers and followers and stuff. The best.
Yes, it's true.
You can never complain about the people that follow your page. But once in a while, a couple of strunzes will wander over from God knows where.
Well, the right word for that is keyboard warriors.
Keyboard warriors, struns, same thing. They come over and they want to tell me, for example, that's not an interference engine.
And then somebody replied to him, it's like, yeah, I caught that. You couldn't even catch crabs with a $10 hooker.
Literally. So, interference, for those of you that don't know what it is, which is fine, I'll explain, is when, let's say you have your timing chain or on a new car timing belt or whatever, it snaps and your valves and your piston, because it's not in sequence anymore, the piston comes up, the valve's still open, bang, they hit each other, everything bends and breaks in the whole 9 yards. Some are not interference, so that means if that breaks, the piston does not reach enough to bend the valve, so you're fine. You put another timing belt, timing chain, whatever the case may be, you put it back on. 1, 2, 3, what do you want from me? Some are. I said that this was. And all these people came out of nowhere and said, no, it's not. No, it's not. It's not an interference engine. It's not an interference. One guy says I should just put a battery in it, hit the key, and that's that. But what happens was, in this case, you can bend valves like that because valves were rusted open on this engine because it sat from 1980. Valves get stuck open from sitting so long in one position that the valve does not retract. Valve, it does not have the same angle as a piston that comes up, because what would happen is it would most likely just close the valve once in a while. The valve's open on this angle, so when the piston comes up, it's not going to push a valve unless the piston's going to like, hey, what are you doing? That's not going to happen. The piston comes straight up and it goes flip, snap, bing, done, finished. Bada boom, bada bang, it's over.
Not to mention, these are domed pistons.
Even worse.
Right.
Because you're talking higher compression and this, that, the other thing. So now I'm going to show you that if it is or if it's not. This cylinder, the piston is all the way up, top dead center. Of this cylinder, not number 1 or all that other bullshit, because this is supposed to be, okay, I know all that. See how the exhaust valve's opening? And that's with no oil pressure. So this should be opening even more than that. You're at almost at, that's about peak opening measurement of the exhaust valve.
And real quick, there's only 2 push rods. There's a push rod here and a push rod here. That's it.
So to all the warriors out there,
right,
you know who you are. The other ones are not going to move because the push rods are out. We took the engine apart. Hey? Okay. Exhaust valve just closed. Guess what's next? The intake valve's going to open. Here we go. Now here's the intake valve. See it opening? Can you guys see that? It just stopped. Try it again. Now watch this. It just stopped again. It's binding. It just hit. Why do you think that is? It stopped because this valve, the intake valve, just hit the piston. I'm not going to keep turning it. It's going to break it.
You know why the engine stopped? Because it's interference.
Now
right?
your shit's all dirty. Because it's interference. Yeah, that's why. So anyway, thanks for watching and all that stuff. And this is for you guys. Taking over the world.